Hello viewers, welcome to Tobi's. It's me Abdullah. Today I gonna explain our new camping Jalsa. Camping Jalsa 4-seater, 2-seat, right and left, 2 meter by 5 meter. And this is a very good quality, high quality. You can fold this one, you can put this one. I show you the other thing. Road is very strong. Just close it like this. You can sit easily 3 people. If you want to take, you can sit 2 people. When you people in sitting in a desert and you want to cook, you want to barbecue something, so there is a place open from here. Both sides have zip, right? You just fold it, and this is the place to make a barbecue. So this is a place to keep your food on fire, make a kava, many things more. The size is 5 meter and this size is 2 meter. 4 seat, 4 people easily sit. If you close this one, 6 people can sit easily. This is official packing by Tobi's, a very strong bag, strong leather. This is a packing of Jalsa 2 meter by 5 meter and 4-seater. We have this one in a multicolor. So this Jalsa can be held by 2 people, can be carried by 2 people, one from right side and other from left side. Buy from us, use in a desert, enjoy your camping with Tobi's.